Yo, hello everyone. Are you ready to explore a mysterious and immersive fantasy world? In this video, I will guide you on how to play Dark Desert or Black Desert on your PC, from downloading and installing the game to creating your character and navigating the treacherous landscape. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First thing first, I will need you guys to go to your browser and then go to the Google search. Then click on here and search for Black Deserts. Here we go, and here we are. Now click on their first link and they will take you to their official website. Make sure to change the language to your official language, which is English over here as you can see. Click on yes I agree, and then for you to start a free trial you can just click here or click on play now. So let's click on play now. Here you have to download the Black Desert launcher. Click on this button and it will start downloading. Now you have to install it by just clicking on this icon and it shall start to install on your PC. So let's click on OK, click on next, I accept the agreement, and then click on next. Click on next one more, next, next, and then install. And the game shall be started to install. Or not the game, but the launcher. So now we have to launch Black Desert. So click on finish. And the Black Desert launcher will start launching. Now all we have to do is just give it all the necessary protection. Let's leave it up to it. So there is no bad threats from this app because it is a game. We all know it. It is 100% safe. So let's make sure it is opened. Here it is. And now guys, for you, you have to make sure that you have enough space for the game to be actually added to your PC or downloaded in your PC. So first of all, let's check how much gigabytes we need on our PC. So Black Desert requirement. So as you can see here, you will need at least Windows 10 with 64 bits, processor Intel Core i3 the fifth generation. No, this is not fifth generation, this is even lower I think. Memory 4 GB of RAM, graphics only GTS 250, GeForce 9K 80 8900, or what is this exactly? I never saw this GeForce before. So 9800 GTX and Radeon HD 3870 X2. So they are like, I think these are like super cheap graphic cards, so they are not that good, I think. Yeah, they are so bad, I think. Yeah. So I guess every PC at the moment can actually run this game. You will not have any problem. Let's compare it, for example, with GT 1030, and we'll see like the difference. Here we go. And yeah, this is like the difference between them. So yeah, there is no comparison between them. Yeah, so you don't really have to worry about it. Of course, you will have the best kind of experience using whatever PC you have, as long, of course, as you have 40 gigabytes available on your storage and a screen resolution a minimum of 1280 720. So these are like the lowest requirements that the game will ask you for, which is pretty decent. Now let's go to the game. As you may notice, um, you can start the game after log in, so we have to log in. But still, now as you may notice here, we saw before that it asked us for only 39 gigabytes, but this was for May 10th. So the game always will have new updates, new things to be added to the game. So yeah, at the moment it will be up to 60 gigabytes. So you'll have to be at least having 70 gigabytes in your PC so you can do run other stuff beside the game itself. So this is really important to have in your mind before downloading the game or even deciding to buy the game itself. Now, the other way of getting the game before we get started with creating an account, etc., you can get the game itself from Steam. So you can click on Steam and you will get a 50% discount of it. It only costs around $6, so It is not expensive already, but you will get a 50 discount, which is $3 for the game. Not a bad deal in case you were so interested by these kind of games, which are like MMORPG, action, and open world. You can play with your friends, you can make guilds and make like clans, etc. Discover the world. There's bunch of infinite amount of classes and the characters. There are so many, the items, the maps, the mobs, the bosses fights. They are so good, as you can see in this video. The graphic is also not bad at all, and yeah, you will really have fun during the game. Each character has its own abilities, and you may even get more abilities during discovering the game and leveling up your character. And getting new items may also unlock some new kind of abilities for you, and even from you. So let's say, for example, I have this character, and you do have this character as well. We might even have different abilities. This is what's really good about this game. It is really specific, so each one has its own abilities. Each one has like different kind of abilities and tools and armor. So even we have the same character, we'll have different stuff, and that will make it more challenging. Not everyone is the same, so you can be your build your own character from zero, literally zero. You choose your own ability, you choose everything from spells through armor, through weapons, through everything. Even there is some pets. You can buy houses, buy storage rooms, so you can store your items and much more. And now for creating an account, you can simply, if you download the game through Steam, you can simply just use your Steam account. So you can just open Steam, go here, search for Black Desert, and then through here you can launch it. So you can just click here and go to your like game section and then launch the game. Well, the other way, which is simply create an account on their official website, which is through here, log in, create spare ID, and then you simply can create an ID using email, password, name, date of birth, and then your region of residence. You can also, through the launcher itself, you can simply make account through this Facebook, Gmail account, Twitter, Talk, and this one. So I don't know what is it exactly, but yeah. For example, let's choose Google Chrome. I'm going to choose this account, and now if I went back here, let me just check if it's worked. Let me just close this, redo it, maybe. Okay, let's try something else. I don't think it is working at the moment. There's some bugs, but yeah, overall it has to work for you. It's bugged. The launcher itself, it's bugged. You can't really click on anything. But yeah, the better thing is to create your own account using email, password, and then name, date of birth, etc. So you can have literally everything controlled and everything really specific for you. So even like that, you will have your own name here. You'll not get a random name by Google account. So I don't know, in case you are interested by having an original name, you'll have to create it through here. You don't have to log in using Facebook, Gmail, but you can use Gmail and Facebook in case you didn't like to go through all this process. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.